Hi, I'm Atchison Frazer, Chief Marketing Officer of Xangati, an infrastructure performance management software innovator out of Silicon Valley. Well, Xangati is, as I said, an infrastructure performance management company. We're pure software. We provide a virtual appliance that is hypervisor agnostic. You can run Xangati natively within your VMware vSphere environment, Citrix Xen Server, or Microsoft Hyper-V. And what we do is we provide live second-by-second performance monitoring and service assurance analytics for your entire virtual infrastructure, as well as your hybrid cloud infrastructure. Right, so Xangati is participating in Cloud Expo Europe in London, primarily because what we're seeing is sort of a migration of virtualized apps, workloads moving from the software-defined data center out to the cloud in a hybrid architecture fashion. And so part of our announcement is we are providing extensibility to the Microsoft Azure cloud, as well as the Amazon Web Services AWS cloud. And in those cases where enterprises are leveraging containerization, we'll also provide visibility to Docker containers in the same context that we provide visibility, very finely grained visibility to virtual machine performance in terms of on-premise virtualization and any workload instance that is also moving back and forth from the cloud back to the customer premise. So the first thing that Xangati starts out with is that we map the entire infrastructure, and all the virtual components, the physical devices, and we create an interdependency map. We overlay that with a, we call it a storm tracker utility, but that's really where we get to the root cause analysis within our solution. Now what we're talking about is, our customers tell us really there's no difference between hybrid cloud and virtual private cloud. There's one cloud infrastructure. And so it's extremely important for us to be able to show performance metrics no matter where the workload happens to be, any device, any cloud, even mobility. The other direction that we're heading in is the ability to automate the optimization of those workloads. So in today's environment, we give you very prescriptive remedial actions to solve a very fine-grained problem. As we move forward, what we're going to be able to provide our customers is an automated way of almost self-healing in the cloud vernacular in terms of optimal performance of your virtual workloads. So today what we do is we do analyze hundreds of thousands of interactions in real time. And so we're live second by second. Most of our competitors are, because they do require agents, they don't have the benefit of an in-memory architecture, which is unique to Xangati. They don't really have the ability to give you that kind of predictive analysis. So with a bit of machine learning and heuristics that are built into the virtual appliance, we can predict 3 weeks from now what is going to be the optimal configuration of your infrastructure, and give you the very prescriptive actions to take, or in some cases, automate that functionality for you. So the next generation Xangati platform we're branding ESP, which is sort of, we know what's going to happen before it happens, and we can give you all of the detail and intelligence that you need to avoid a potential disruption to your business. So Xangati ESP platform is the next generation platform going forward. It's an all-knowing, all-seeing, not quite close to being a soothsayer in a box, but as close as you're going to find. And so in a way, if you are moving into a hybrid cloud infrastructure and you want to mitigate the risk of migrating workloads that have been running on-premise in a virtualized environment, then Xangati is going to be a great solution, because the ESP part of it is know before you go, and Xangati can be your partner in that regard.